What's up? What's up? Bright as hell this morning and cold as hell. That's why I got my little vest on. But today we have a bad front grille with peeling clear coat. As you can see, this front grille is really old. I don't know how long this has been, but the previous owners installed this black grille, and I went ahead and ordered myself a new one that's gonna look brand new. I got this front grille for I think 70 bucks off of eBay. So if you guys want it, I'm gonna drop the link in the description. But let me just get this out of here so I can show you it. And there we have it. Here's the new gloss black, and you guys can just see how much nicer this is gonna make the G look. I mean, without the peeling clear coat. I mean, the paint on the car is already bad enough, so with the front grille looking brand new, it's gonna make the whole front end look a whole lot better than it does right now. Every piece by piece I'm gonna be doing in this G, I'm just trying to make it look a whole lot better, and just a perfect example of this car. We're gonna go ahead and get this installed today. It's gonna be a super easy install. I'm not gonna go too much in detail. It's literally just a few clips, a couple 10mm bolts, easy removal and install. Let's get it. Alright, check it out, check it out. Here's the new gloss black one. It was super easy to get this one off, and there was already a few 10mm bolts missing, so just made it so much easier. I'm gonna have to get those replaced so it's fastened down a lot better than it was before. But check out how bad this infinity emblem is. Like, the clear coat is peeling off. You can obviously see that at the top over here as well. They don't sell black infinity emblems like anywhere online that are already painted, so I'm gonna take this old one off and get it painted. I got some paint over there where my tools are that I'm gonna paint this one with, and I'll show you guys the results because I definitely needed to match the black grille because this does not look good. So let's get to it. All right, it's now a couple hours later. I had to almost drop this. I don't know if you guys saw that, but I almost dropped this trying to show you guys. But it's now a couple of hours later, and I had to let this paint dry, and I did the clear coat. I didn't want to bore you guys too much with just like painting this little emblem, but it came out pretty good. I wish they sold these like already like professionally painted in gloss black, like the grill came. But let's go ahead and get this in the grill and install that new grill. This has been like a couple hour process because, like I said, I had to let the paint dry, and I'm just trying to see it with the new front grill in, because it's gonna make it look so much better. I hated the clear coat peeling and stuff, so let's get it. Alright, here it is, guys. Check out the new gloss black grille with the new painted emblem. It looks 10 times better. Absolutely love it. I'll give you guys the view of what it's like from like walking up to it. Man, it looks so much better. Like, let me just show you guys for reference on how beat this gloss black front grille was before. You can see it all on the top. Man, it looks so much better. But what I forgot to show you guys, well, I didn't forget to show you, I literally forgot to press record on the camera because I had it on the tripod. I had ordered an OEM bumper mesh for the bottom corner on the passenger side because I had this side when I bought it, and the middle is still missing. That's still coming on the way, so I definitely wanted to get this in because it looked so bad with two of the things missing. So now we have both the sides, and I mean, it doesn't look terrible with the middle missing, but I definitely want to get the OEM one so it doesn't look like I'm missing anything on the front bumper. And I'm eventually going to get a new front bumper when I get the vinyl wrap and decide. And I got confirmation, guys. I talked to my good friend David Dawson, who vinyl wrapped my BMW 335i in the satin black. It looked amazing. I had that wrap for like over 3 years, I think it was, and it lasted so well. None of the corners really peeled up. The wrap like just lasted such a long time. It was also good vinyl wrap, but the way he like tucked the edges of the vinyl, like I had no issues with it whatsoever. He's gonna be a huge help and help me vinyl wrap the G. We're gonna do it in the garage this time. Last time I vinyl wrapped it, I was living at my parents' house, and we did it out front of my parents' house. No garage, literally just in the driveway, and it was so damn cold. I think it was like 40 degrees, and here in Arizona, that's really damn cold for us. But doing that outside with vinyl, he had to keep on torching it and heating up the vinyl. This time we're gonna be way more prepared, because then we're all gonna have the garage. It's gonna be a lot warmer, so that's coming soon. I'm gonna give you guys a hint on that. I'm not gonna reveal the color. That's something that me and him are talking about. Also, me and my wife, we're trying to decide what dope color this G37 would look in. But I would have had to order a new front grille anyways, so I just went ahead and did that because I wouldn't want to vinyl the grille. It's just cheap enough just to buy a new gloss black one. And like I said, the link's gonna be in the description below. But it looks so much better with the new grille. This not missing. I might add a picture of like what it looked like before so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. But yeah, it's coming together, guys. So dope. And when I ordered this, look, it's OEM from Infinity Nissan, and it came with this Japanese newspaper. I thought was pretty cool because this did come from Japan. I had to order it because it was a little cheaper than just ordering it online here in the States, so goodbye. So guys, that leaves us here, end of the video. I wanted to make this quick install video because like I said, I want to document everything I do this G because it was definitely in bad shape when I first bought it. I think I'm going on to 2 or 3 weeks of owning it, and it's been such an experience driving it, shifting good, new parts on the way, guys. The big parts coming on the way. I can't wait to be I'm not going to say anymore because I might give it away. You guys could probably guess it if I keep speaking about it, but more stuff on the way. Subscribe if you guys aren't already, and if you guys want to see more content of what I do with the G, and I am going to eventually do some more things to the Cutlass. I need to get that done. I want to start driving both of the cars back to back, but here it is, guys. Till next time, we out here. Peace. This is a very, very exciting moment for me right here. In my hand right here, guys, is something I've always wanted to get. And with the G37, I thought I might as well just try to get this license plate. I've never customized my license plate. I've customized like the graphic on it, but I've never like customized what I wanted to say. And I'm hyped to get this because like I've been wanting to get this since like I created like my Instagram name and like YouTube channel name, and I got it in Arizona so no one else can take it. As far as my understanding, I don't think anyone else can have like the same plate as you. I just got this in the mail today, and it took about like 2 weeks for it to get delivered, and this is my first time seeing it. I'm hyped to go put this on the G. There it is. Let's go. Damn, that is so sick. And I always get the same license plate graphic, but I've just never gotten like what I wanted to say. Got the SteezyJ, and I was so hyped. I was gonna get Steezy, but that was taken. And then I was like, try SteezyJ, because I thought like Steezy would just like look more clean, but that was taken. So SteezyJ was open, took it, and I'm hyped for this. I'm super hyped. Now I need to put my damn tags. I don't know if I have my tags. Oh, are my tags in here? But yeah, I just really wanted to open it and film my reaction of getting this because I've been checking the mail every damn day because I wanted to get this and actually have plates on the G37, and it finally arrived. Super dope. I love it. Now time to go put it on. It's pretty late right now at night. We got home pretty late, but we stopped by the mail, swooped it. I was super hyped when I checked the mail and got it, and I was like, I need to film my reaction of getting this. So there it is, guys. Hype.